Hello, everybody. There's a saying. Blah, blah. There's a saying that what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. I swear, I don't know whether I've walked under a ladder or something, but this week has been a lot of tests, and we had a lot of volatility. I've got a huge gap up on the open, so there wasn't really much happening. But I was sitting here. I've been sitting here for quite a while, just being patient, waiting for the right trade to come along. And I was just waiting and probably wasn't concentrating well enough because my data wasn't moving. And figured out that my feed with Apex had gone down. So I was just sitting there and missed a trade. And it was such a great trade. You can see over here, if I go down to the shorter time frame, there was one here. This was the one that I missed, this one here. So it was pretty easy. It was below purple. It was after a pullback. And then my data has been down for the past 2 hours and I missed this one, which is just an absolute, I mean, it's simple. That would have been a great start to that's kind of the trade that I was looking for the challenge. Definitely with the trend below purple, after a time phase, broke through the low, really simple, just went into profit from there. So we had this really, look at all this volatility. Isn't it just crazy? Huge amounts of volatility throughout this week. It's been a tough week to trade. There's been a lot of people, a lot of talk around with prop firm accounts that people have been blowing accounts left, right, and center. That's what's going to happen. There's so much volatility. It will kill your drawdown if you overtrade during these times. So I've been really patient. I was really happy with myself, but that's a really easy scenario there. Like, look at that beautiful pullback, beautiful time phase, below purple, great move. And that was it. So you've got to remain positive. I'm obviously faking it at the moment. You've got to remain positive during these times because, look, at the end of the day, I can't do anything about it now. It wasn't my fault. I was here. My data went down. I still have no idea why. I've restarted everything. I've spoken to NinjaTrader support. I'm waiting to hear back on that. So look, I've done everything right. Sometimes it just doesn't work for you. I think I'm being tested at the moment because the magnitude of what I'm trying to do does take a lot of focus, a lot of discipline. It takes a lot out of you. So I don't give up. I'm going to keep going. It has been a tough week. We've still got another day to go. Might get a really big trade tomorrow. But right now, this chart is still dropping. We're still dropping down here. You can see we're below purple, still in this price phase on the way down towards the close. There's been a lot of volatility, but positive side, again, no trades, no losses. I suppose that's a good thing. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but one of the great things about trading is it can turn around very, very quickly. So you can get one really good trade, get well into profit, and we go from there. So nothing today. Some issues with my data and stuff like that. I'll go through some things and take off my NinjaTrader, restart everything, all that sort of stuff tomorrow. But we pick ourselves up and we come back tomorrow. Can't do anything about it, so still positive. So anyways, thanks for watching. Fingers crossed for tomorrow. End of the week, we end on a really high positive and something comes along. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.